Self Credit Builder Credit Score Tool Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing Self Credit Builder, a tool designed to help individuals improve their credit scores by building credit through a unique savings account program. Links to Self Credit Builder and related resources are available in the description below, so be sure to check them out for more details. Self Credit Builder is a straightforward and effective tool that targets individuals with no credit or those looking to rebuild their credit. What sets Self apart is its ability to help users build credit without needing an upfront deposit or credit check. The service works by allowing users to take out a small, manageable loan, which is then placed into a secured savings account. As you make monthly payments on this loan, those payments are reported to the major credit bureaus, thereby helping to build a positive credit history. The process is simple. After signing up, you choose a payment plan that fits your budget, and Self opens a savings account in your name. Each payment you make goes toward your loan, but you don't get access to those funds until the loan term ends. Not only does this process help you build credit, but you also get the added benefit of savings as the funds accumulate over time. Self Credit Builder is ideal for anyone starting from scratch with their credit, or those looking to improve poor scores. It's a great option for individuals who may have struggled with past financial issues or missed payments, as the tool allows them to slowly rebuild their credit in a manageable way. One of the standout features of Self is its transparent and simple structure. There are no hidden fees, and the tool provides clear updates on your progress, making it easy to track your credit building journey. To wrap it up, Self Credit Builder is a reliable and easy-to-use tool for anyone looking to improve their credit score through a structured savings and payment plan. With its low cost and low risk, it's an excellent option for those serious about their credit health. Check out the links in the description to get started today.